TL's ever-expanding world of reality TV weight loss journeys just introduced a new spin-off style show, 1000 LB Roomies, sparking major buzz among fans of the original hit series, 1000 LB Sisters. With the spotlight now shifting to a different cast, viewers are asking the big question, is 1000 LB Roomies connected to 1000 LB Sisters in any way? Are Tammy and Amy Slayton involved? Is this a continuation of their world or a completely separate storyline capitalizing on the success of the original show? When TLC aired 1000 LB Sisters in early 2020, few anticipated the immense cultural impact it would create. Tammy and Amy Slayton, the Kentucky-based siblings who began documenting their journeys with morbid obesity, instantly resonated with audiences for their raw honesty, unfiltered family dynamics, health struggles, and emotional roller coasters. The show catapulted them into stardom, especially Tammy, who battled life-threatening conditions and became a symbol of resilience. Over multiple seasons, fans watched the sisters transform, physically, emotionally, and socially. So when 1000 LB Roomies hit the TLC lineup, the timing and branding naturally sparked speculation. On the surface, the similarities are obvious. Both shows focus on individuals whose combined individual weights are near or over 1000 pounds. They follow the intimate, sometimes chaotic daily lives of cast members trying to lose weight, improve their health, and navigate the unique challenges of living in large bodies. The format feels familiar: candid confessional interviews, family drama, tension-filled doctor visits, and tearful break-roughs. But there's more to the story beneath the surface. 1000 LB Roomies introduces audiences to a new trio of plus-size best friends living together in a shared home, aiming to hold one another accountable on their journey to wellness. The show centers around their bond, their differences in motivation and discipline, and the humor that keeps them going. Fans have already drawn comparisons between the personalities on Roomies and the dynamic between Tammy and Amy. One of the Roomies, a loud, bold personality with a defiant attitude toward doctors and dieting, has been unofficially dubbed the Tammy of the group by social media users. Another, with a more nurturing, emotional approach, reminds fans of Amy during her early days. So is there a direct link between the two shows? Officially, no. According to TLC and production insiders, 1000 LB Roomies is not a spin-off or direct extension of 1000 LB Sisters. The new show is produced by a different creative team, though still under the TLC umbrella. It has its own narrative arc, filming style, and production direction. There are no guest appearances by the Slayton sisters in the pilot season, nor are there crossover plotlines. It's a completely separate universe, meant to stand on its own. However, that doesn't mean it exists without influence. Industry insiders believe Roomies was directly inspired by the viral success of 1000 LB Sisters. When Tammy and Amy's story blew up on TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram, TLC realized the powerful appeal of shows centered on extreme weight loss and family dynamics. Audiences weren't just drawn to the medical aspect, they were captivated by the raw, unscripted emotional reality. Roomies attempts to capture that same magic, but instead of focusing on sisters, it focuses on best friends who've chosen to live together for the purpose of healing and self-improvement. The chemistry and conflict between friends who are not biologically related opens the door for a different type of story, one where chosen family matters more than blood. Another interesting point of connection is the way fans are watching both shows. Many longtime 1000 LB Sisters fans are now watching Roomies and treating it like a spiritual sequel. Online fan groups and Reddit threads are full of comparisons, memes, and theories linking the shows. Some fans believe TLC is testing the waters for a shared universe, possibly planning a crossover episode or even a combined special in the future. Others speculate that if 1000 LB Roomies succeeds, it could open the door for Tammy and Amy to reappear as guest mentors or motivators to the new cast. Tammy Slayton herself has responded to fan questions about the new show. In a recent TikTok live session, a fan asked if she watches Roomies or knows the cast. Tammy laughed and said, "I ain't never met them, but I seen the show. They crazy like we was." She didn't indicate any involvement behind the scenes but did seem amused by the comparisons. Amy, on the other hand, hasn't publicly addressed Roomies, she's been keeping a lower profile lately, likely due to her personal legal issues and custody battles, which have dominated her own storyline in recent months. Some fans have expressed disappointment that TLC is branching out rather than continuing to focus on the Slayton sisters. They argue that 1000 LB Sisters still has more stories to tell, especially now that Tammy has undergone successful weight loss surgery and is navigating life after such a dramatic transformation. Others are more supportive, welcoming the chance to see new faces and fresh perspectives. The idea of best friends holding each other accountable, rather than relying on family ties, brings a new angle to a format that could otherwise grow stale. From a television strategy perspective, TLC is making a smart move. By diversifying their cast and themes while sticking to a familiar structure, they keep longtime fans engaged while also attracting new viewers. There's always a risk of oversaturation, especially when multiple shows follow similar formats, but TLC seems to be leaning into the emotional connection audiences feel toward people overcoming adversity. And weight loss is still a hot-button topic, especially when it's shown through the lens of humanity rather than just medical jargon. 1000 LB Roomies might not feature Tammy and Amy, but it undeniably carries the torch they lit. Whether it evolves into something as iconic as Sisters remains to be seen, but early ratings suggest that viewers are at least curious. If the audience continues to grow, it's not impossible that TLC will revisit the idea of a crossover. Could you imagine Tammy Slayton crashing the Roomies' house to give some tough love? Or Amy showing up with her sons to cook a healthier version of her famous Southern meals? Fans are already writing these episodes in their heads. Ultimately, 1000 LB Roomies stands alone, for now. It draws inspiration from 1000 LB Sisters without being dependent on it. There's no confirmed family relation, no behind-the-scenes links, and no on-screen cameos connecting the two. But the influence is undeniable. Tammy and Amy may not be on the new show, but their legacy lingers in every dramatic doctor visit, every teary confession, every moment of joy and frustration as these new reality stars try to reclaim control of their lives. It's not a sequel, not a reboot, but perhaps a tribute. And in the world of reality TV, that's more than enough to keep fans watching. As TLC continues expanding its weight loss reality lineup, fans will keep speculating, hoping, and comparing. And while Tammy and Amy might not be roomies with this new cast, they certainly share a common journey, one that audiences aren't ready to stop watching anytime soon. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.